The future is in your pocket. Mobile tech and crypto collide. As we move forward, the integration of mobile technology and cryptocurrency is becoming more seamless and impactful. The world is going mobile. Everywhere you look, people are glued to their smartphones, using them for everything from communication to entertainment. We see it every day. Smartphones are everywhere. They have become an essential part of our daily lives, connecting us to the world and each other. Cryptocurrency is also growing rapidly. It is changing how we think about money. Digital currencies are revolutionizing the financial landscape, offering new ways to transact and invest. In 2024, these two powerful forces are coming together. The convergence of mobile technology and cryptocurrency is set to transform how we manage our finances. Imagine a world where you can manage your finances, invest in digital assets, and even explore virtual worlds, all from your phone. This is not a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. This is the promise of mobile crypto. It's about accessibility, convenience, and empowering individuals. With just a few taps, you can control your financial destiny. The barriers to entry for crypto are crumbling. What once required extensive knowledge and resources is now available to anyone with a smartphone. No longer are complex desktop setups or technical know-how required. The power of crypto is now in the palm of your hand. Now anyone with a smartphone can participate in this exciting new financial landscape. It's a democratization of finance, opening doors for people from all walks of life. 2024 is the year mobile crypto goes mainstream. The fusion of these technologies will redefine how we interact with money and digital assets. Are you ready to join the revolution? The future of finance is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. Embrace the change and be part of this groundbreaking movement. Crypto for Everyone apps making digital assets approachable. The key to mobile crypto's rise is user-friendly apps. These apps are designed for everyone, not just tech experts. They simplify buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrencies. Need to buy Bitcoin? No problem. Several apps allow you to do so instantly with a credit card or bank transfer. Want to explore the world of altcoins? There's an app for that too. These apps provide real-time market data, portfolio tracking, and even educational resources. Some apps focus on security, offering hardware wallet integration and two-factor authentication. Others prioritize social features, allowing you to connect with other crypto enthusiasts and learn from their experiences. No matter your experience level, there's a mobile crypto app designed to meet your needs. Beyond Bitcoin, exploring altcoins on your smartphone. Bitcoin may be the most well-known cryptocurrency, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. Thousands of altcoins or alternative cryptocurrencies offer unique features and investment opportunities. Mobile apps make it easy to explore this vast and exciting landscape. You can research different altcoins, track their prices, and even trade them directly from your phone. Some altcoins focus on privacy, while others aim to revolutionize industries like supply chain management or gaming. The possibilities are endless. Remember, investing in altcoins carries risks. Do your research before investing and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Decentralized finance, DeFi, on the go, your pocket, your bank. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is one of the most exciting developments in the crypto space. DeFi aims to create a more open and accessible financial system using blockchain technology. Mobile apps are at the forefront of the DeFi revolution. These apps allow you to access a wide range of DeFi services right from your smartphone. You can lend and borrow crypto, earn interest on your holdings, and even trade synthetic assets. DeFi on mobile puts you in control of your finances. No more dealing with banks or traditional financial institutions. You have the power to manage your money on your own terms. Section 5. The Metaverse in Motion. Mobile as the gateway to virtual worlds. The metaverse is another area where mobile and crypto intersect. The metaverse refers to immersive digital worlds where users can interact with each other, participate in experiences, and even own virtual assets. Mobile devices are becoming the primary way people access the metaverse. These devices offer portability and accessibility, allowing users to step into virtual worlds from anywhere. Cryptocurrencies play a crucial role in the metaverse, enabling secure and transparent ownership of virtual assets. Mobile apps will be key to managing our digital identities and assets in these emerging virtual worlds. Section 6, Play to Earn, P2E, Revolution Gaming for Fun and Profit. The gaming industry is undergoing a massive transformation thanks to blockchain technology and the rise of Play to Earn, P2E games. These games are not just a passing trend, they represent a fundamental shift in how games are played and monetized. These games allow players to earn real-world rewards by playing games and contributing to the game's ecosystem. This means that your time and effort in the game can translate into tangible benefits outside of it. Mobile devices are the perfect platform for P2E games. With the ubiquity of smartphones, almost anyone can participate in this new gaming economy. They offer accessibility, convenience, and a massive potential audience. The barrier to entry is low, making it easy for new players to get started and for seasoned gamers to find new opportunities. Imagine playing a game on your phone and earning cryptocurrency that you can then use to buy in-game items, trade with other players, or even cash out for real-world currency. This opens up a world of possibilities for gamers everywhere. P2E games are not just about making money. They're about changing how we think about gaming and the value of our time and skills. They encourage players to invest more deeply in their gaming experiences. Mobile is at the forefront of this revolution. As technology continues to advance, the potential for P2E games will only grow, offering even more opportunities for gamers to benefit from their passion. Section 7. Security First, Protecting Your Crypto Assets on Mobile Devices. While mobile crypto offers incredible opportunities, it's essential to prioritize security. Mobile devices can be vulnerable to theft and hacking, so taking precautions to protect your crypto assets is crucial. First and foremost, always use strong, unique passwords for your crypto apps and exchanges. Enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring a unique code from your phone to log in. Be wary of phishing scams. Legitimate crypto apps and exchanges will never ask for your private keys or passwords via email or text message. Download apps only from official app stores like Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Section 8. Staying Informed, Top Resources for Mobile Crypto Enthusiasts. The world of crypto is constantly evolving. New projects, trends, and technologies emerge daily. Staying informed is crucial for making informed decisions about your mobile crypto journey. Fortunately, numerous resources are available to help you stay up to date on the latest developments. Reputable crypto news websites, blogs, and podcasts offer insights and analysis on the crypto market. Social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit are also great places to connect with other crypto enthusiasts, ask questions, and engage in discussions. Remember to be critical of the information you encounter online. Not everything you read is accurate or trustworthy. Stick to reputable sources and always do your research. Section 9. Taking the leap, practical steps to start your crypto journey. Embarking on this journey can be both exciting and daunting, but with the right steps, you can navigate it smoothly. Ready to start your mobile crypto journey? Let's break it down into manageable steps. Here are some practical steps to get you started. First, choose a reputable crypto exchange or app. 1. Choose a reputable crypto exchange or app. This is crucial as it will be the platform where you buy, sell, and manage your cryptocurrencies. Research different platforms, compare fees and features, and choose one that aligns with your needs and risk tolerance. Look for user reviews and ensure the platform has strong security measures. 2. Complete the verification process. This step is essential for your security and to comply with regulations. Most reputable exchanges require identity verification to comply with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. 3. Fund your account. This involves linking your bank account or credit card to your chosen platform. Link your bank account or credit card to your chosen platform to deposit funds. 4. Start small. It's wise to begin with a small investment. Begin by investing a small amount that you're comfortable with. This way, you can learn the ropes without risking too much capital. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment. 5. Diversify your portfolio. This is a key strategy in managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps protect your investments from market volatility. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. By following these steps, you can start your crypto journey with confidence and a solid foundation. Section 10. The road ahead. mobile crypto in 2024 and beyond. Mobile crypto is poised for explosive growth in 2024 and beyond. As technology advances and adoption increases, we can expect to see even more innovative apps, services, and opportunities emerge. The convergence of mobile technology, cryptocurrency, and other emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things will create a truly interconnected and decentralized future. Mobile will be at the center of it all, empowering individuals worldwide with access to financial freedom, new opportunities, and a more inclusive global economy. The future of finance is in your pocket. Embrace the power of mobile crypto and join the revolution today.